How to reset Discover Bank login password. If you'd like to change your password for Discover Bank, you may follow up these steps. So head over to any of the browser and go over to discover.com and basically access this page right here, this website. And once you access it, you can click on the login button on the top of the page. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the login page here, secure account login. Now, if you'd like to reset your password, you can choose the option called forgot user ID and password to log in with your 16-digit account number, your date of birth, and the last four digits. So tap on forgot user ID and password and you will be taken to another page. Now here tap on forgot password. If you've forgotten password for a credit card, tap on credit card, banking, personal loans, or even identity theft. So let's head over to credit cards, let's say. You can tap on forgot password and you just need to go ahead and follow up this process. Here enter up the 16-digit card number and the expiration date. After that, date of birth and last four digits of SSN, and then you can complete this captcha as well. And once it completes, tap on continue and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you reset your password, you may basically head back to the login page, and in the login page enter up your user ID and your new password, and then you will be easily logged in into Discover Bank. So therefore, if you'd also like to reset your Discover Bank password, you may follow up these methods in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.